guys, welcome to a start of a new vlog. Oh, that door. Welcome to a start of a new vlog. Honestly, this vlogtober thing is confusing me. I think I do have footage from last night. I just didn't say hi to you guys yesterday, so let's go back to watch that and then we can come back. We went out for a little cutie dinner, so nothing crazy, just dinner because it was someone's birthday. Well, it's someone's birthday today, but because I'm not going to be around, we decided to just go for dinner last night. We went to Roko Mama's for the triple treat. Yes, so let's go and watch that part of the vlog and come back here. Where's my phone doing this? Because I'm a YouTuber. What's new? I was literally here on maybe 2 days ago for these. And now there's no size. I should have just bought them the other day. Look, I am so shocked. There's only these ones left. So? And I don't like these ones because it's half open. It's cute, but... no. It's very cute. Ice cream with chocolate sauce? Yeah. Or
ice cream with waffle.
Oh, we have the ice cream with chocolate sauce. You're taking the waffle?
Then cheese.
Can I please have a passion fruit and lemonade?
Okay. Large or regular?
Regular is fine. Wait, the regular is 34 and the large is 38. Make it large. Thank you.
See, I've been watching you for a while. Your smile and stuff. Wanna know if I can be with you for the night. Is that alright? Baby, baby. There is only one for me. You have made that a possibility. We can take a step to see if this is really gonna be. All you gotta do is say yes. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel. Let me undress you, babe. Open up your mind, just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel. Let me undress you, babe. Open up your mind, just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so, so.
Anyway, we're coming back to today. I hope you guys are well. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If it's your first time hopping on the channel, I hope that you like it here. Please do consider subscribing to the channel. It's absolutely free. You don't pay a single cent. Please like the video if you enjoy this vlog, and please comment something cute, something nice. But most importantly, please do not skip that ad. I know you're very tempted to, but please guys, do not skip the ads. It's gonna help me get a little bit of corn, and that's what we're here for. Okay, and I am so here for that. Anyway, you guys, today is a Saturday. This weather is actually not so cute. I'm gonna show you guys just now. The weather just changed. Actually, it changed last night when I was coming back from the mall. It was like so cold, and I was wearing like a short sleeved, so I was freezing, child. Today is very cold. Like, it's gloomy. It's not like very cold, but it's very gloomy. But I am on my way home. I'm going home for the weekend, and when I say home, I mean Wheatbank. I'm going to Wheatbank for the weekend. Actually, just going today and coming back tomorrow. So I'm gonna take you guys along. Hopefully we get up to something nice. If we don't, I'll just vlog here and there. But for now, I want to pass by Dragon City, then we can go to Mpumalanga. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog. I look so good, you guys. I installed my hair yesterday and I'm in love. I think I like it. I just don't like when the lace is kind of showing like this, but hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Let's go. I've been talking for a while and my hand is very painful. Let's get going.
I love you. My money, my body, now your own, oh baby. 30 billion for the account, oh. Hey, Versace and Gucci for your body, oh baby. I like your mini skirt, yeah, you body dress, I love you. My money, my body, now your own, oh baby. 30 billion for the account, oh. Hey, Versace and Gucci for your body, oh baby.
Hi guys, it's another day of the vlog. We are just at the mall. What was I saying? We are on a sister date. Oh yes, I didn't speak to you guys this morning because honestly there was nothing really happening, but we are currently at Mug and Bean for a cute sister date. Yeah, that's honestly the plan. We just walked around the mall for like a few minutes, but we're just gonna eat. I'm not even hungry, but we'll just see what we're gonna have. I hope you guys are well. Do you want to say hi to my vlog? Hi. Oh, hi.
Yeah, I actually said I'm
So yeah, what are you gonna have?
There's chips at the kids menu, so I'm not about to order at the kids menu as if I'm a child.
Aren't you not? Do you eat avocado?
No.
You don't eat avocado? You!
I think I'll have it.
I thought I was the only one who doesn't eat avocado. It's not showing.
Maybe I should get a burger.
Like, try something different. Something that's gonna say Mac and Bean. Guys, we are done with our dates. The food was good. Was it good, right? It was great because you know mug and bean is always a good idea. We're waiting for my dad to come and pick us up. Yeah, I'm so tired. I don't know. I look tired. I feel sleepy. But yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. It doesn't look proper. Thank you. Let's do cheers. What else?
You wanted my tissue name?
Tissue.
Yeah, he said tissues.
He said Colgate.
Oh.
Bruh. I'll tell you. Okay. I don't care. Morning, guys. Good morning. It's the next day. I'm actually on my way back to Joburg, but we just passed by Pretoria. We just passed by. Is it passed by or? I don't know. We're in Pretoria. My dad is gonna drop me off. No, my dad is actually. My dad was coming to Pretoria, so I'm just gonna catch a taxi from Pretoria to Joburg, yes. And then he's gonna go back. But I hope you guys are well. Hope you guys are good. I'm just waiting for him. Yeah, I don't know which way am I gonna end the vlog here. Oh yes, I wanted to show you guys what my little sister got me for my birthday. Should I show you now? Let me just show you, because I think I want to end the vlog. So my little sister got me a gift. Oh, Sana, I was so happy because the things that she got me, like, it's things that I wasn't expecting, and they're actually like very meaningful. But let me just show you guys. The first thing is this. What is it? Is this bottle? Water bottle, because I'm in my healthy girl era. The next thing is she got me like a journal, which is so cute. I love the design of this journal. I'm actually going to use this as my content thingy, as my content journal. I was telling her that, you know what, from now on this is like my content journal. Whenever I want to like write down my content ideas, or you know, anything that's cute. Oh, my mom is calling me. Okay, I just got disturbed, but as I was saying, I'm gonna use this as my like content journal. I just like it's so cute. Like every time I use it, it's just gonna remind me of her, and oh, I love this. And then she got me like a photo frame and the picture that she put on the photo frame, guys, should I show you guys? Let me just show you, but it's quite embarrassing because I look, let me just show you. So that's me and my siblings. Can you guys see me? I don't know if you can see me, but it's us. And this is when she was little. So I'm carrying her, and then that's my little brother. I don't know if you can see because of the reflection of the car, but yeah, that's us. I think I was in grade 7 at this time. Oh, Sana, how thoughtful. And then last but not least, guys, this girl literally, she knows my vibe and she knows my aesthetic. She got me the sign D, and this is the sign that lights up. Oh, guys, I wish I will show you when I get home. I need to get batteries because it uses AA batteries. Oh, I love it so much. I love this so much. I just need to get double E. And you know, like I want to get like what do you call it, you know, like a chest of drawer, that big one, and then I just put the D and the E, like the 2 E's, and then it can be like my background for like when I'm shooting sit down content. You guys will see, you will see. Not in the near future, well, probably in the near future, but you will see as soon as I get like my own apartment. That's the vision. But I love this so much. It's so thoughtful. Like it's something that I wasn't even thinking of. But yeah, she got me that, and yeah, guys, that's everything that she got me. How cute. I am so happy. Like everything is just me and so meaningful. Yeah, bo. And the water bottle, like it's just giving me, if you know me, you know, like this is my type of vibe. Like I don't really journal, but I like to have like cute journals and this, and oh man, you know what, thank you to my sister. But yeah, guys, I'll probably see you guys later, but I don't know, maybe I'll just end the vlog because I think it's long enough. Yeah, I think I will just end the vlog. Should I end it? Oh, I'll end it when I get home. Yes, I'll end it when I get home. Let me just wait for my dad, then yeah, I'll see you guys later. Oh, my stomach, why?